What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining us, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as that bell notification so you know when I'm going to be dropping a brand new video. All right, guys, day number 24. Okay, guys, day number 24. We are in it to win it, guys. Listen, so I usually start up my videos telling you to watch the video all the way to the end, because I'm going to be giving up my bonuses, but I decided in this video that I will be giving my bonuses first. All right, guys, so let's jump right into those bonuses for you guys. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, and if you've been a subscriber, welcome back. So, for those of you that join me, okay, in E1U, all right, the link is below. E1U at the Vertex Live level, okay? You will be getting access to traffic, guys. You will be getting access to this package right here, the silver package, okay? And what is that silver package going to give you? Well, let's take a look, guys. Let's show you exactly what that is going to give you. All right, it's going to give you 510 to 570 eyeballs to your link, guys. So all you would do is send me your link. I would plug your link in and send 510 to 570 clicks right to your link, as well as this is a $660 value, all for joining me once again in the Vertex Live at the Vertex Live level. Also, if you haven't done so already, come over here and join me on Facebook. This is my my private Facebook group where I go into some marketing strategies. All right, I drop videos, as you can see. I welcome brand new guests. All right, guys. So these are the resources that I have, the bonuses for you, as well as what I'm going to do for you today. All right, is I'm going to help you with an email. Also, I'm adding another bonus, guys. So the next bonus is right here for you guys. It is 100, okay, of the highest converting emails in the industry, guys. And for those of you that join me at the Vertex Live level, you will get access to those clicks, as well as these high converting emails. All right, guys. So make sure you go ahead and get started with that. But since we're already in it, let's go ahead and show you how effective these emails are. So you got to go to your get response, guys. All right, go to your get response, and you're going to click on newsletter. If you don't know what get response is, the link to my get response is down below, and it's a 14-day free trial for you to get started and start taking advantage of these emails. All right, so what you're going to do over here is you're going to go to drag and drop email editor. Okay, subject, very simple, guys. You're going to go back to the emails right here, and you guys, listen, you're just going to copy and you're going to paste. Right? Copy and paste. And depending on the list that you want to send it out of, you can go from. That's from the list that you're going to send it out of, guys. All right? So I'm just going to go ahead and send it out here, guys. All right? And I like to use my name in the emails that I send to so my audience knows exactly who I am. You know, sometimes you get emails from like the lottery or you know, the name of the opportunity, but you know, to establish your audience to know, like, and trust you, you want to use your name. All right, and then you want to go ahead and just start from scratch. You know, these are just templates you can use, but I like to go ahead and start from scratch. I usually go down here to blank template. Sometimes I use a template with like a one image on it. Sometimes I don't. But for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to go and use the blank template. You're going to go back over here to your emails. All right. And then you're just going to go ahead in here. And you're going to highlight the entire thing. And you are going to go ahead and copy. and you're going to paste it right here in your email. All right. So it says to add element to your email, double click on a block. So basically what it is you can add your own, how you want to set up your email. But for, once again, for the example's sake, we're just going to use text block in here, and we're going to go and paste the email. And this is the part where I like going ahead and customizing the email just to the specifications. All right. So you take a look at the email, you look it over on here. So you want to copy where the link says, guys. So in the email we copied, and it says, here's a great example of this concept in action, right? So you want to hyperlink your link here to where it says, here's a great example of a concept in action. And you got to go right here to the hyperlink, and you go to enter your hyperlink. I already have mine set up, guys, from the videos. So what I can do right here is this is the offer right here, Home Business Academy, and you want to go ahead and get your own little like notepad, so you can go ahead and start keeping your links accessible pretty quickly. All right, so you copy that right in there. What I like to do is open this up a little bit more, bold it, make the text blue, and you can do that just by doing it like this, and blue, and hit OK, and it's blue. You see that, guys? And sincerely, once again, you put your name, I don't know how to spell. Right, so you got to go ahead, look over the email, and once again, guys, these are high converting emails. All right, so you got to go over here to where it says next step, and you got to go ahead and send it out to your list. Choose list. For those of you that are list, you could go ahead and select the list that you want to send it to. I like to send it to all my contacts. You're going to go ahead and hit next step. All right, on the next step, all right, guys, here is the email and the email template and the message that you're going to be sending out. Also, you see the spam score. You want the spam score below 2.0. Okay, and the reason why you want to below 2.0 is because anything above that 2.0 is going to make your messages go to the spam box instead of getting delivered in the primary mailbox. All right, guys. And you just hit send. Okay. And that's it, guys. That is it right there, guys. So in this video, what Josh is going to do for you is going to go into exactly how easy this is to leverage and how profitable this series is, guys. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video, because I do have a couple parting words at the end of this video that I want to share with you, and I'll see you at the end.
So check this out. All I do is I share this link exactly the way that I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm able to earn income from multiple income streams. So check this out. This income stream, $27,090. This income stream, $3,864. This income stream, $26,675. And this income stream, $26,729. just by simply sharing this one link. So here's what you need to do. I'm going to give you a step-by-step process leveraging this system known as the multiple income funnel, so you too can start generating income from multiple income streams. So I'm going to outline exactly step-by-step how to do this. So step number one, all you need to do is click the link below in the description. in step 1 and create a multiple income funnel account. After you do that and you log in, you're going to come to this page right here. You're going to go ahead, you're going to join the Facebook group. Then you're going to go to step 2 and you're going to set up all your multiple streams of income. You're going to go ahead, watch this video here, set up this income stream. You're going to go to step 2, watch this video here, set up this income stream, and then do the same thing for step 3 and step 4. Now, after you complete step 4 in the step 2 setup income stream section, you're going to go to step 3, set up e-wallet. Once you set up your e-wallet so you can get paid, you're going to go to step 4 and complete the back office tour. After you do that, you're going to follow exactly what I tell you within this video right now. So again, if you want to start earning the income that you're seeing right here, right here, right here, and right here, follow me very closely. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the link section. We're going to acknowledge this Facebook lead capture one page here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and save this link to a notepad. Once we do that, the next step is you're going to go ahead and join My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret is really cool because it's going to give you automatic leads every single day. You get 100 leads a day that you can email to. So we're going to be leveraging email traffic in this specific video to start generating results and sales with the multiple income funnel system. Now, there's many different ways that you can generate traffic online. The cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is you pay a small monthly fee and they send you leads, so you don't have to go out there and spend all this time doing YouTube videos, making Facebook posts, uploading content, and then waiting weeks and months to finally get traffic and website visitors. Because we know the key to success with affiliate marketing is to get your affiliate links out to as many people as you can. So we're going to show you exactly the fastest way to do that right out of the gate. So again, step 2, you're going to go ahead and sign up for My Lead Gen Secret. That's going to be the second link in the description below. Once you get access, you're going to come to this page right here. You're going to click on Create a Message. Then what you're going to do is in step 3, you're going to copy an email from the Google Doc that I give you in step 3 below. This Google Doc is going to look something like this. It's going to have all these different email swipes in them. You could start with email 1 and you could see that there's 16 pages of emails. So what I'm going to do, because I'm on email 18, is I'm going to go ahead and send out email 18. And by the way, you're going to want to do this every single day. So on day 1, send out email 1, day 2, send out email 2, so on and so forth. So what we're going to do is you send out email 1 if you're new, or send out whatever email you may be on up to this point as we've released these videos. And you're going to go ahead and jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret. Again, we were on the home page. We clicked on Create a Message. You're going to select all your leads right here. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the subject line here. So we're going to copy this. And then we're going to jump back over to My Lead Gen Secret. We're going to paste the subject. And then we're going to jump back over to the swipe. And we're going to go ahead and paste the body here. You're going to go ahead and change out my links with your links. Okay. So make sure when you jump over here to My Lead Gen Secret, you scroll down, you go ahead and paste, and you change out, once again, my links with your links. The link that you're going to use, and you can definitely use these emails to promote any affiliate offer that you want online. But in this case, of course, we're going to go ahead and promote multiple income funnel. We're going to copy this link right here. Okay, so we're going to highlight it. We're going to click on copy. Then we're going to jump back over here. We're going to make sure that we edit the hyperlink here. First, let's break the original one, right? So there's no link. Let's highlight again, and then let's go ahead and put our affiliate link here. and make sure that we eliminate this part because that's already at the beginning right here, right? Just go ahead and copy this once again, click OK. We're going to go ahead and break this link, do the same thing, paste this, make sure you're pasting your capture page. We're going to break this link right here. And then we're going to go ahead and hyperlink this, and we're good to go pretty much. All we need to do is highlight everything, remove the bolding here, and then move the spacing up a little bit so it's more appealing. Okay. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and select perfect timing right here, and we're going to click on send email. And then all you're going to do is you're going to follow this methodology each and every day. So you're going to go ahead and set up your multiple income funnel account. You're going to go ahead and set up the income streams. Then you're going to set up MLGS. Then you're going to copy the email swipes over each and every day, hyperlink them with your multiple income funnel affiliate link, the capture page, and then just simply repeat that process every single day. The very last step is you're going to want to go through the playlist that I have, where I'm going to show you other traffic strategies in conjunction with my lead gen secret. So go ahead and check out that playlist below for the next steps. Hope you got value in this video. I'm showing you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing to start generating this type of income. So go ahead, follow the steps below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Take the bell icon because I'm always uploading videos showing you guys exactly what I'm doing in my affiliate marketing business as I'm doing it to get success online, working part-time, and showing you guys how to duplicate the whole entire process.
All right, guys. So I hope you got really, really tremendous value from that last video. Now, I know that it seems monotonous. Sending emails every day, going over everything. But listen, these are the things that will get you to the next level, going through the monotony, the rigorous test. This is when success happens, is when you do things that you don't feel like doing. Okay, that's when the success is going to come to you. And once again, if you go ahead and take advantage of those bonuses, guys, all right, and join me up in the E1U level and get those bonuses, I promise you, you're going to see your business grow. All right, guys, so get ready, strap in. Day number 25 coming tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye for now.